Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bronze ingot. You ready? Let's fold. So first you need a brown sheet of paper, any color, actually, and then you need to fold this here. The hole is up here. Not on the bottom. Then you flip over, fold this up here, and now you have this. Then you open the middle, and then you just fold it down to that crease. Then you flip this side over, you fold this to here, and you fold this to here. And then you unfold. Wait, first you're gonna fold that there before you unfold that. And then you unfold. Then you flip this over and repeat it. That to there, and that to there. And this to the bottom. And now you just keep repeating it on every one. That to there, and that to there. And then this down. And then this to here, and this to here. And then fold this down. And then unfold. Alright? So now that you're done with that, you should have this. So you're gonna open this, put that in, but then you're gonna open this, put this in, and then you have this little flap. You're just gonna fold it in, and then you're gonna fold it down. Or you unfold, fold this down. That's easier. And now you just open it from the bottom where it opens. And you should have your red bronze ingot. It's not really red, but it's from islands. And there's your bronze ingot, red bronze ingot. Not really red, but there you have it, right here. And if you want me to fold a different thing from islands, like a cow, or a trophy, the witch trophy, I'll fold it. And that's finished of our video. Alright, bye.